Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and today I want to teach you how to play the song Oh Praise the Name by Hillsong. As usual, I want to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started playing through the song.
I cast my mind to Calvary, where Jesus bled and died for me. I see His wounds, His hands, His feet, my Savior on that cursed tree. His body bound and drenched in tears, they laid Him in Joseph's tomb, the entrance sealed by heavy stone. Messiah still is all alone. Oh, praise the name of the Lord our God. Oh, praise His name forevermore. For endless days we will sing Your praise. Oh Lord our God. Then on the third at break of dawn, the Son of Heaven rose again. Oh, trampled death, where is your sting? The angels roar for Christ the King. Oh, praise the name of the Lord our God. Oh, praise His name forevermore. For endless days we will sing Your praise. Oh Lord our God. He shall return in robes of white. The blazing sun shall pierce the night, and I will rise among the saints, my gaze transfixed on Jesus' face. Oh, praise the name of the Lord our God. Oh, praise His name forevermore. For endless days we will sing Your praise. Oh Lord our God.
Alright, so for this song we're only using 4 chords for the G chord family. We're going to be using the G chord, which looks like this, and we're going to be strumming all 6 strings for it. We're also going to be using the D over F sharp, which from the G, all we need to do is pick up our first finger to the 2nd fret of the E string, and then my 2nd finger is going to go down to the 2nd fret of the G string, and this is going to be my D over F sharp chord, and I want to start my strumming on the low E string. And then from here I'm going to go to an E minor 7 chord, which all I need to do is take my first finger, move it down a string, second finger, move it up a string. And this is my E minor 7 chord, and I'm going to strum all 6 strings as well. And then from here I'm going to go to my C chord variation, which is going to be a C add 9. I'm going to take my second finger and go up to the 3rd fret of the A string, and then first finger down to the 2nd fret of the D string. And for this one, I want to not strum that low E string, so I'm going to start my strumming on the A string. For the strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice, simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums and then an up strum added after beat 4. We want to make sure to put our emphasis on beat 1 and 3. That's going to create the dynamics to make that strum pattern sound better. So I'm just going to hold the G chord and I'm going to play that strum pattern for you and count the beats out loud so you can hear what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. A great way to get familiar with the strum pattern is to practice it just like that. Just hold down one chord, don't worry about transitions, and just play that strum pattern and count the beats out loud so that you can be completely focused on the rhythm. You can do that for a while until you get completely comfortable with it before you try to then take it and put it into a song. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.